Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Mooney. In today's video, I am here out in my backyard trying to pluck out some weeds so I can use it to make fertilizer. And I'm going to show you guys how to make a free fertilizer. I used to think weeds are worth for nothing, and now I learned how to make natural organic fertilizer with no chemical. And so yeah, this would be good to use. I got a lot of dandelion here and some Chinese spinach called amaranth, and I had some grass laying around here. So we're going to mix all those three combinations and make a very healthy. So today guys, I am going to be using dandelion. I have a lot of dandelions growing in my backyard, so I just use them to for natural organic fertilizer. It's a super nutrition for your garden, your fruit tree, and whatever flower, rose, all kinds of good stuff in your garden. What I'm picking is a lot of young shoot here, and I'm using the whole thing, the root, the stem, everything, before they're getting flower. You don't want to use flower in the water. They're gonna grow seed and grow more dandelion in your backyard. I need to clean up my backyard anyway. Oh, this is a lot of dandelion over here. This is enough for now, so let's go to the other side. And I'm also going to be adding fresh grass clipping. Fresh grass are packed with nitrogen and potassium for healthy plant growth in your garden. Vegetable, fruit tree, rose, flower, you name it. Super nutrition for your garden. I'm trying not to use the flour. Grass is a little bit hard to pull out from the rock here. There's no spray, there's no chemical, all natural. I like to use this for my garden every year. And if you stick around at the end of the video, I will show you an update how my vegetable looks like. There's some more over here. I'm picking it up. I'm basically cleaning my backyard as well. Look at that. Gorgeous. Healthy. So I'm over here picking some more dandelion. They're just growing like crazy all over my backyard. You can actually eat some dandelion, believe it or not, or make some tea out of it. Right over here, this is a Chinese spinach called amaranth. Amaranth is an excellent choice for making nutrition-rich wheat tea fertilizer. Amaranth decomposes quickly in water, releasing nutrition like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. It's very good for your garden to make some, tea fertilizer. I also using some young leaf for my cooking. Actually, I eat them too. You can put them in soup, stir fry, chicken soup, like a spinach. I would cook them. I wouldn't eat them raw. So now I am going to chop them up into small pieces so it's easier to decompose into tea fertilizer and release the nutrition easier that way. They're all gonna get mixed up with Chinese spinach called amaranth and some fresh grass and some dandelion. All these three combination is like super natural, organic, that you don't have to spend your money out there. Now I am using the rainwater that I've been collect when we have rain, and I storage them in the garage. I also using this water to water my indoor plants too. If you don't have rainwater, you can use distilled water or purified water. This is kind of pretty slow, just pouring the water in here. I'm just gonna pour the whole thing in there. It's a lot faster. It was heavy, so I would just try to take some water out. Working hard today to show you guys how to make organic tea fertilizers, and you don't have to go out there and spend money on all kinds of fertilizer to make your garden beautiful and healthy so that you can be healthy. I'm kind of crushing it down. I'm gonna move this outside. I'm not gonna let it stay inside the garage. And you're just gonna cover them up. So I'm checking them after 2-3 days, and you wanna like keep stirring them. You can go on with like every 3 to 5 days. Just stir them to release the oxygen. It gets kind of a little smelly. That's why I leave them outside. I'm gonna wait another 2 weeks. This has just been about a week and a half. So here we are, 3 weeks later. It is ready. I'm gonna stir them one more time. This is how they look like, really thick and green and smelly. It's like when you make kimchi, you know? Have you ever had kimchi? I'm gonna strain them. I'm just gonna using only the liquid tea fertilizer. I'm not using the rest of the branches and whatever's in there. Just the liquid. Now we are over here. I'm using 1 to 10. So you would want to use one of this tea fertilizer. However much you want to use, just 1 to 10 ratio. And adding fertilizer, adding slow release worm casting as a fertilizer. Slow release is an option. So I like to add this just to boost up the wheat tea fertilizer. So however you want to mix with water, I would use 10 of this bucket. This is probably 1 liter or 1.5 liters. I'm gonna use 10 of this water mixed in with 1 of this bucket of tea fertilizer, 1 to 10 ratio. So if you're gonna use a smaller one like this, you would use like 1 coffee cup to 10 cup of coffee cups, But I have a big garden in the backyard, so I has to make a lot of fertilizer for my fruit tree, for my vegetable, for my flower. So now I'm just gonna stir them again. Like I said, you don't have to add worm casting, but I'm just using it to give it more, boosting the nutrients for my plant, and I'm loving it. Now I'm just gonna go around and fertilize my plant and hope for the best, and we'll see at the end, guys. Here is my garden raised bed. I grew a lot of kale over here. I love mixture of kale. We use this for my salad. This is my mayor lemon. I also fertilize my peach tree, my apple tree, flower, rose. I just show you guys some part. We don't want to be here all day. Alright, I'll show you guys an update soon. Bye! Here is 1 month later, my nectarine and peach tree. Beautiful soft pink, and the bees is all over it. Love the color. Hopefully I get lots of fruits this year. That fertilized tea weed, it's going to help them grow really healthy. As you can tell, when they have a lot of flower like this, that means you're going to have a lot of fruits, I believe. Alright, here we are 2 months later. I am patiently waiting for this. I feel so blessed and thank the Lord for all the healthy fruits and vegetables for us to enjoy. Save your money, make your own not green tea. I do drink a lot of green tea. Wheat fertilizer right out of your backyard. Here you go. This is my reward. I cannot wait to harvesting them. This is 2 months later, guys. I am so happy. If you guys interested how to grow fruit tree, I posted the video probably early springtime in March, I believe, or earlier than that. You can check that out, how I plant fruit tree. And you can check out this tree when I planted it. I planted it last. Hi guys, look on this side of my raised bed. Whole bunch of kale, all 3-4 different kinds of kale. I also have mustard green there and purple mustard green. Look how giant and healthy and lush, bigger than my hand. I love it. Natural wheat fertilizer. Make your own, save money, and this is my reward. It's very healthy nutrition for your body. I love growing all kinds of kale. Kale is a highly nutrition-dense superfood packed with vitamin K, vitamin A, and vitamin C, along with calcium, fiber, and promote heart health. Also good to help with your bone, like stringing, and your eye health. It lowers your cholesterol, support weight loss management, also help fight cancer or inflammation. It's just so good. I am harvesting for me and my family, and probably share with some friend because I got a lot. You can use this to make salad. If you can't eat all the salad, you can turn this into like green smoothie. Maybe next time I'll make a short video how to make green smoothie. Alright, I am done harvesting. I'm ready to go make my salad. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video inspire you, and happy planting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.